Have you ever thought you could make money chatting?
Chat when, where, and ask as much you want, and earn money for each conversation. Complete the form and train yourself to save digital clients. We have thousands of companies looking for chatters.
So sa website na ito ay kikita tayo ng unlimited na pera by chatting the customers or by replying each customer's inquiries.
Okay, so ito yung tatlong steps bago tayo maging qualified na maging chat agent dito sa website na to. So, wait na lang po na mag-email sila sa inyo, and then if you are qualified, then may training ka online. So, they have different categories for us to work with. Okay, so these are the different categories that are available in this website.
Customer service agents. Okay, dito sa chat customer service agents, you can chat every clients na kung ano yung mga tinatanong nila, kung ano yung inquiries nila. So, ikaw yung nagre-respond. So, every response, meron kang revenue. So, ito yung gagawin mo, yung mag-chat-chat at mag-response ng customers. Next is yung agents for e-commerce. Okay, so, dito, e-commerce sales and support agents. Meron ditong mga negosyante na hindi na makapag-focus sa kanilang negosyo dito. So, kaya nga sila nag-hire ng mga chat agents. As agents, gagawin natin yung task natin to reply customers' inquiries. Next is live chat platform. Okay, so dito sa live chat platform, you will be able to connect WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Mercado Libre, and a web through multiple channels from one single place. Okay, so anong gagawin dito? From one single place, to read or replies the inquiries of every customers visited this platform. So, hindi na tayo mahihirapan as chat agent. Okay, so remember that we can earn money through chatting here. So, every chat, we earned revenue. Attention by WhatsApp, attention via Instagram, virtual assistants, sell via WhatsApp, V-text cart recovery, web chat attention, attention via Facebook, chatbots designs and training, WhatsApp business, social e-commerce, attention through social networks, and last, attention through Mercado Libre.
So, these are the different categories in this website. So, what is the benefits if we are going to apply here in this website?
Okay. Number 1 is work from home. So, pwede tayong magtrabaho habang nasa bahay tayo. Okay, so ikaw ay isang ina o gusto mo magtrabaho na nasa bahay lang, so pwede ka dito. Ang pangalawang benefit natin dito ay pwede tayong magtrabaho kahit saan tayo magpunta or we can work anywhere, di ba? Okay, so pangatlo is hawak natin yung oras natin. Kung kailan natin gusto gumawa ng task dito or kung anong oras gusto natin na mag-reply ng mga chats dito, pwede yun.
Last, so hindi mo na hinahabol yung oras mo na matatakot ka na baka malate ka, so dito walang ganon. Next, what are the different requirements? So first, dapat 18 and above tayo. So hindi pwede yung 18 under, okay? So next, dapat may bank account ka or PayPal account na pwede ka makapag-receive ng money from abroad or from other country. So now, let's go to the application process.
Okay, so dito, ilagay lang natin yung name, last name, so email address natin. Dapat yung active email address. So country. So next is phone number. So native language, kung ano yung mga language natin na ginagamit. Or native nga, yung ginagamit nating language. So dito sa languages, pwede tayong pumili. So merong Spanish, Portuguese, so English, French, Italian, Deutsche, and other. So kung ikaw naman ay marunong ka nito, so pwede mong i-check yan. Pero ako, English lang yung natutunan ko. Syempre, English lang yung i-check ko. So dito, do you work and or study? So, pumili ka dito kung ikaw ba nagtatrabaho, nag-study ka, or wala ka, or nasa bahay ka lang. So, next, characteristics of the work equipment. So, computer, okay? So, operating system, RAM, and memory, dapat ilagay mo dito. So, yung internet speed, dapat din ilagay mo din dito. To check your internet speed, kindly go to Google and type internet speed test. So, and then click that speed test by Ookla. And then, mapupunta ka dito. So, then click go. So, ayan, connecting siya. So, it means, ano yan guys? So, check niya yung internet speed natin. Okay, so, next, do you have experience in customer service? So, kung meron naman, i-check mo itong yeah. Kung wala, no. So, next, do you have sales experience? So, if so, tell us a little about what you were selling and through what modality. In person, telephone, chat, and etc. So, dito, pwede naman pala. Okay? So, pwede nyo ilagay dito kung paano kayo magbenta or paano kayo mag-handle ng customers in person. So, kung sa telephone, kung meron, so kindly put it here. Sa chat, okay, meron din. So, ilagay nyo lang po dito sa blank below. Okay, next. What availability do you have to work every day? So, kung anong oras ka available dito, so pwede mo ilagay dito. So, this is the example. Okay, next. How did you find out about the job opportunity? So, kung nahanap mo ito sa YouTube, so ilagay mo dito, I found the job opportunity in YouTube. So, pwede mo ilagay dito kung saan mo lang ito nakita, okay? Okay, so next, what are you interested in becoming a chatter? Okay, so ilagay nyo din dito. Next, what are your interests and hobbies? So, ilagay nyo din dito sa blank page. Okay, what is the biggest challenge you have had in your life? So, meron silang mga provided dito na blank. So, pwede nyo dito ilagay. Okay, so, describe a moment or situation where you were very happy. Okay, next, what is your opinion of the world and human beings? So, last but not the least, upload your CV. Okay? I-upload nyo dito yung CV nyo. CV resume. Okay, so protected naman itong network nila. So, hindi po dito maaano yung information niyo. So, after that, click I agree. Here. Click I agree. So, I agree to allow CHATCENTER network to store and process my personal data. Okay, kindly check again. And then after, check send. Check send below. Okay, so that's it. So after 3 or 5 days, so if you are qualified, then magsisend sila sa'yo ng email. And then, pag umabot ng weeks or 1 month, so huwag na kayo mag-expect kasi hindi na kayo qualified nun. So the name of this website is no other than chatcenter.net. Okay, so that's all for today's video guys. See you sa susunod kong video. Don't forget to subscribe, click that bell icon and click the all so that you will be notified kung mag-upload ako ng next video. Thank you for watching.